Okay, now we will go for our next scene, and in the next scene we will search for a street or a forest or a garden here. Okay, go for graphics and we'll select any of the background from here. So I'm going with this background, a garden where it's a blue sky and some green grass. Now we will search for a character. We can search here a boy, a walking boy, and animate this. So we can just hold our shift button and just drag it to the right and set up our speed. We can make it steady and done. Okay, now if we play from here, we can see this character moving forward to right, and now we can copy the scene again, and here we will make this look more professional. Okay, so as he's going from left to right, we can make the background move as well. When he's going to right, the background scene will move his left. Okay, same. First we select the character, and second we can select the background to give our animation. Okay, this looks good. So applying this trick, you can also use here cars or motorbikes. Now if you choose any character in Canva and you want to go with same type of character, you can go here and check the VA collection. Now let's find out our project here. Okay, so we use this character, and if you use this code in Canva element, you will see similar type of character in your Canva collection to use in your video. Understand? It's really simple. Now if you want a same character who will appear in your video and move here and there you can go over to FreePic and download this type of assets, cartoon packs, what you can use in your video to give a professional touch here. Okay, so you can see there are a lot of characters with different shapes you can use in your video. So this is a really good way to give your video a professional look.